What's going on YouTube? This your boy The Vintage back on the video, man. And today we're gonna have a nice long discussion about some of these apps like GOAT and StockX. But today I want to specifically talk about GOAT today because I just recently picked up a pair of sneakers from GOAT app. As y'all know, I picked up the Fear of God shoot-arounds, man, which I think are way better than the Fear of God ones. These right here are very, very dope. I love how they threw that Nike swoosh on there, and I can see like a whole bunch. Like I just got like a vision of so many dope colorways they can do with these Fear of Gods, man. But if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're gonna grind to 20,000 subscribers. We're right around the corner for 17K. Y'all help your boy get there by sharing the videos, liking the videos, and commenting under the videos. Give me some support, give me some tips, talk about some sneakers, and yeah. Follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World as well. If y'all do not know, y'all just tune in today. All my stuff is on the way to Texas, and that's why I kind of hear like a little echo. I'm trying to keep it like talk low, but keep the same energy, and it's kind of hard to do that. So y'all please forgive me for the echo or my like tone's a little low, but I'm still trying to keep my energy, you know what I'm saying? We're about to talk about GOAT app, and we're gonna talk about if they ever sold me fakes, if I ever had a fake encounter or any of that. We're gonna talk about that, and I wanna get you guys' opinions. I wanna get you guys' like stories about buying shoes from GOAT app in the comment section below. So with all that being said, let's jump right into the video, man. Let's get it. Okay, like I said, I just recently purchased the Fear of God shoot-arounds in light bone colorway. I really, really love the light bone colorway. I was thinking about getting a black pair, but then I started thinking like, I got too many black shoes, and I was like, let me go ahead and get a different colorway that I don't have in the collection, which is like this light bone or this off-white sail colorway. And to top it off, it got that like nice blue, like see-through outsole right there. You can see with the Nike swoosh. I really love that. It's like a futuristic kick, man. Very, very dope. Very, very ahead of like what everybody else is doing in class. Like only shoe I would compare this to, like as far as like ahead of everybody else, it would be probably Yeezy, because Yeezy, as you know, he doing a whole bunch of different stuff, especially with the 700s. I'm really digging the 700 model, and right now, like sneaker of the year, I would say it's gonna be, for me, it's gonna be Fear Gods, or it's gonna be a Yeezy 700, man, because 700s has been stepping up the game, giving us a lot of dope colorways. Shout out to Adidas for that. But that's neither here nor there. Today we're gonna talk about GOAT app. As you know, GOAT app, you can get used sneakers, you can get new sneakers with effects. That's where I got my Mauve joints, and I got the salts with a damaged box, and I got it for way under retail. They also have it to where you can bid on sneakers, and they also ship 2 APO addresses for people like me. Y'all know I live in Germany, and they ship here for only $10. It takes a little bit, like a week and a half to get here, but still way cheaper than StockX. You know, StockX, you're gonna be paying that large international shipping fee if you are living overseas. And with GOAT, $10, man, shipped right to the crib, man. So shouts out to GOAT app for that. But right now, I want to know if you ever encountered any fake sneakers coming from GOAT app. Like I said, I never had any issue with GOAT app, like with fake sneakers. As y'all know, I have never came to y'all and was like, has GOAT sold me fakes? But with these, like, I don't know, let's bring the question up. Let's talk about it. Have you ever got fakes from GOAT? As y'all do know, I did a whole video over StockX, and the sneaker that I got, I don't know, like I was like, did they sell me fakes? I seen a video Tony Too Wild did, and then I was like comparing it with my boy the Retro WizKid pair, and he even said like there was a lot of imperfections, a lot of factory flaws, as you would say. And like I said, it was a whole bunch of differences between his pair and my pair. He got his pair from Germany, and I got my pair from StockX, like I said, and I paid a little over retail, but the fact of the matter was that it was a lot of differences between me and his pair, and I felt like my pair was a little bit lighter than his, and maybe that's because my size was way smaller. I wore a size 9, he wore like a size 10.5. I don't know what it was, so I brought that discussion up for you guys, and I got like a lot of good feedback from it, and I got a lot of negative feedback from it as well. People didn't like the title. People was like, why are you trying to throw StockX under the bus? And all I was doing was asking the question, did StockX sell me fake sneakers? And that question gets asked a lot. I wish you can go read through all my comments. You go on that video, even on recent videos, people are still coming to me, even on Instagram. Is the StockX legit? Is GOAT app legit? Should I purchase from there? And me personally, I can't tell you what to do. I can't tell you if they're legit or not, but I can tell you that I have never had somebody come to me and say, these shoes are fake, and you got them from this StockX should go. I never had that happen to me. So that's why I say it's up to you, man. It's your risk. it's either gonna get a fake shoe or you're gonna get a real shoe. That's what sneakers in general. If you buy them on like Facebook, you know, like the little groups and stuff, you might get hit with a fake here and there. I never got, like I said, never had a fake shoe in my collection. I never been the one to go buy fake shoes. I want to stay true to like retail pairs. I don't even like getting shoes early no more, but y'all do know I like doing like once a month early review for you guys. And I try to keep it, just go straight to the retail store. And if I take an L on a sneaker that I really want, like these right here, I went to GOAT. And now my question arises, did GOAT sell me fakes? Have they sold you fakes? Do you think that they will ever do that to us? Y'all know business is booming on GOAT right now. They got so many different shoes. They got so many companies investing into them, and I can just see them going up and up with years to come, man. And now, as y'all know, they ship internationally for way cheaper than StockX, and I think the seller fees as well are cheaper than GOAT. I want to do a video where I like sell a pair of sneakers on GOAT, and I want to sell a pair of sneakers on StockX and see how much I get. I'm gonna try to sell them for the same price and like see what the difference in the seller fees is. I know I'm not a reseller. I don't even like selling my shoes. I haven't sold a pair of shoes in a while. If I don't like a pair of shoes and I got it, I would just take it back to the store, even if it's limited, even if it's a super GR. I will still go take it right back to the store because I don't like the shipping to people and they be like, they fake, they're real. I don't do fakes. So I just take them right back to the store where I got them and save me a lot of hassle. So with GOAT right now, I think I have purchased maybe close to 10 pairs of sneakers from GOAT. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I shop with GOAT and I shop with StockX a lot because I don't get every sneaker. And recently I purchased the Yeezy 350 Blacks from StockX just because I'm going back to the States, and I feel like it'll get there quicker. And I could use GOAT, could use StockX, it really didn't matter. So right now I purchased 7 sneakers from GOAT app. I got these right here, of course. I got the OVO 12s from my boy B-Roll Spin. I got the Yeezy Boost Inertias 700s. I got the Yeezy 700 Salts, Yeezy 700 Moaves. I got the 13 and 14 DMP pack, and I got the Air More Up-Tempo Bordeaux. Check it out right here. So I've purchased a lot of sneakers from them, along with StockX. I think I spent way more money on StockX. I think I spent like $4,000 on StockX in last year. And it's pretty crazy, man. Sneakers and like all that stuff, it's addictive, man. I'd rather be buying sneakers rather than buying like drugs. So I feel like this is a good habit, a good addiction, I would say. Yeah, the main priority for this video today was for me to get some of you guys' stories, some of you guys' thoughts about GOAT app. And I want to know if you ever got any fakes, if you ever had somebody say you have fakes and you got it from GOAT. I want to know all that in the comment section below because that's what I'm here for, man. I like talking to people about stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? If I can help anybody, I would try to help with my best of my ability to try to like lead you in the right direction. And with that StockX video, I feel like some people got where I was coming from with the whole video, but then some people was just like read the title and was like, oh, clickbait. But it wasn't clickbait. I was just asking a simple question: did StockX sell me fakes? That was a simple question, and this title is gonna be GOAT app sell me fakes? Question mark? Because I don't know. Are real? I don't know. I've never seen another pair of Fear Gods. I've never had another pair in hand. I didn't even see a video about the Fear God shoot around. So how am I to know if they're real or not? Like I said, I'm not saying that GOAT sold me fakes, so I fuck with GOAT. I don't think they would do anything like that to nobody. It is a lot of shoes and not enough employees. That's what I'm hearing around the whole sneaker community. Everybody's like, how can they verify all these sneakers? They're getting 100,000 sneakers a week. How is like 30 or 40 staff members verifying all them sneakers? And I was watching a video on Full Size Run where the StockX or GOAT owner was on there, and he was saying how many staff they got, how many shoes they get, and the shoes super outnumber the staff members. So I'm like, are they really taking the time to authenticate sneakers? How are they authenticating sneakers? And I wish I could go there and like actually see them do it, because that would be very, very dope. But all right, thank you guys for tuning into the video. We talked about GOAT app, and we talked about if you ever got any fakes. We talked about the stories and stuff like that. Like I said, I never had a fake from GOAT or StockX, but I want to know you guys' opinions and thoughts about these two sneaker apps. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Like the video, and it'll go for every video was 100 likes. So if you made it this far into the video and you have not liked the video, you're doing something wrong. Hit the like button. Follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. The link will always be in the description box below. Share the video. Let's get to that 20K, 17K is like right around the corner, man. Y'all help your boy out. We're gonna get there. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.